Bicep exercise tier list. Standing dumbbell curl. This is a classic bicep exercise. We've all done these and plenty of people have grown some huge biceps with these, but there is not constant tension on the bicep, so it has to go in the B tier. Incline curl. These are great. They have you curling from a position where your arm is behind your body, which some studies have suggested is good for the biceps. A tier. Barbell curl. This curl feels awkward for my wrists personally, and they have no tension at the bottom, so they are going in the C tier. Preacher curl. These are the holy grail of bicep exercises. The pad keeps you from cheating, and they have high tension all throughout the range of motion. Easy S tier. Comment your favorite bicep exercise.